Hi, I'm Aditya. I am writing a Python code for a simple digital calculator. I'm importing the math module for this so that I can add more math operations to the calculator in the future. I am importing the math. First, I define a continue variable and set its value to lowercase y. I'm creating a while loop, and as long as the value y is entered, we can reuse the calculator. When we enter n, we exit out of the calculator. Now I display the choices using the print command. First, 1 is for addition, 2 is for subtraction, 3 is for multiplication, and 4 is for division. Now I define a variable choice and display the message to enter a choice between 1 and 4. Then I check it. The choice entered is greater than 1 and less than 4. Now I will enter the two numbers num1 and num2. Using the if and elif condition, I will check the value entered for the variable choice and perform the math operation selected on the two numbers. If choice is 1, then I add the two numbers and store the result in the variable res and print res. Likewise, if choice is 2, I subtract the numbers. If the choice is 3, I'll multiply, and if the choice is 4, I will divide the numbers, and display the result accordingly. If a number other than 1 to 4 is entered, an error message is displayed. Then I display a message asking whether you want to continue. If Y is entered, then you can continue with the calculator, and if you enter N, it will exit the calculator using the break command. I'm going to share my terminal screen. Now, since I'm in my terminal, then I'm going to run it. Now I want to do addition, which is choice 1. I want to do 2 plus 2, which is 4. If I want to continue, I want to say yes, so I put Y. Now I want to do multiplication. Now I want to do 2 times 2, which is 4. Now I'll say what? Yes. Now I'll do a random number, and it should say wrong input, so I'll put 56. And it says wrong input over here. Now I'll say no. Now it exits. Thank you for watching, and thank you for Ms. Laws for assigning us this project.